Right, next up we're going to install the spring seats, which are all mounted here to seat the spring, and then install the valve seal. It seals the valve stem with the guide so that the oil doesn't go through here and goes to the combustion chamber. And then we'll install the springs slowly with the retainer, and then these keepers that goes with it. So, got all the goodies here, the bags. These are the retainers, so on top of the spring, these are the seats. And here we have, I believe the 10 is the intake valves, and this part number is the exhaust. So Honda has 2 part numbers for it. I will just unpack them all and then install it and then show you a bit the results. Nothing much. Mostly of this is just put them in, then unpack the seals. Put some oil over it, make sure to protect the seal, you know, never try to force things in dry, and then slip it over, use a deep socket. Yeah, so here you see a valve seat. So yeah, it's a circular shape. It has a few stairs in it, and it's just to keep the spring centered. So when you have the spring here, it's a dual spring, sits nicely in here, keep it all nicely centered. Okay, important to install when installing the seals is some oil to lubricate this. Make sure when you install the seal you don't damage the rubber. I usually use a 10mm deep socket to tap it in. Fits nicely snug around this so you don't damage the top part of the seal. It's nicely tapping the edge of this. You don't damage the spring whatsoever. And I usually install it with these valves in it, because then whenever you insert it and you tap it, yeah, you cannot damage the surface here or the geometry, make it unround or something. So that's why I just prefer to keep it in. You have to install them anyhow. So I tapped it in place, nicely seated. Usually when you tap certain things in, you listen to the tone. So at the beginning it sounds really hollow, and at a certain point you hear that the noise is changing. Then you hear a bit higher tone, then you know you're on the end of the it's seated on this edge here, so it doesn't go further. No use to tap any harder, damaging the seals. That's usually the trick. Yeah, so let's do it for the rest. 16 valves. Luckily it's only a 4-cylinder. Let's do it. Alright, as you can see, all the seals are installed. Next up, put all the springs in. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, install them. See, there's a... looks like the windings on the top and below are different. So let's see what's top and bottom.